Want a simple but powerful way to take control of your day from the start? In this episode of Thrive in 5, I'll show you how one short affirmation or mantra can completely shift your mindset, help you stay focused, and boost your confidence even on chaotic mornings.
You are listening to the Thrive in 5 podcast with Cindy Gordon. This is your daily dose of productivity, motivation, and success strategies. I am here to turn your big dreams into actionable goals one step at a time. Ready to make the most of the next 5 minutes? Let's dive in.
Let's talk about one of my favorite simple morning power moves, affirmations. An affirmation or mantra is more than a nice sounding phrase. It's a statement of identity, intention, and power. It's how you start your day, and it matters. We often grab our phones, check our emails, and immediately be pulled into other people's priorities. But what if you started your day grounded in your own priorities? That's what affirmations are about. When you begin your morning by speaking something powerful over your life, whether it's I am focused and intentional with my time or I can handle anything that comes my way, you shift from reacting to leading. It's giving your brain a job. And this is the energy we're carrying into today. Here's the thing. Your brain believes what you repeatedly tell it. So instead of letting your inner critic run the show, use affirmations to retrain your thoughts and reset your energy. And no, this doesn't have to take 20 minutes. You can do this while brushing your teeth, making coffee, or even walking into a meeting. The key is consistency. When you repeat an affirmation often enough, your brain starts filtering the world through that belief. If your affirmation is, I make time for what matters most, guess what? You'll begin to notice that the distractions don't matter and that you naturally start protecting your time better. That's the power of leading with intention. This is exactly why I created the Success Affirmation cards. They're printable, simple, and they're designed to help you shift your mindset fast. You don't have to come up with the words on your own. Just pick a card, read it out loud, and let it guide your focus for the day. Whether you stick them to your mirror, tuck one into your planner, or screenshot your favorite for your phone background, these cards are a gentle daily nudge towards who you're becoming. Affirmations can change the script. They interrupt the spirals of self-doubt, overwhelm, and distraction before they take over. They give you a clear and calm place to return to when your day tries to pull you in every direction possible. When you start your day rooted in a strong belief, you act from that belief. You make better choices, you focus better, and you carry more confidence throughout everything you do. So let's recap. Tomorrow morning, your action steps are: pick one affirmation that supports how you want to feel. Say it out loud in the mirror. Look at yourself. Yes, I know it might feel awkward at first, but trust me on this. Say it out loud to yourself. Do you need ideas on what affirmations to say? You can grab my printable Success Affirmation cards and you can start using them immediately to bring more clarity and confidence into your day. I have a link in the show notes. Affirmations don't just sound nice, they change the way you show up. Start small, start today. You've got this.
Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving and remember, you've got this.